Hello, Colorado Landmark. This is Alyssa, and today I'll be taking you through starting your Zoom account. So to get started, we'll go to zoom.com and click Sign Up. Type in any email that you'd like to use in order to create your account. All right. Now Zoom is going to want to confirm that you are a real person, so you have to go to your email and confirm that you actually did just sign up for an account. Navigate to your Gmail or Outlook, whichever you used to create your account, and then just click Activate Account. Now you'll go back to the Zoom website and fill out your basic information, like your name and your desired password for your account. On this next page, you can opt to invite anyone else that's on your team that you think should create a Zoom account. Today I'm going to skip that step. Then you'll be brought to a page where you can actually download the Chrome extension to your computer. You can download whichever one is more convenient to you, either Outlook or Chrome. I'll choose Chrome, click Download, and you'll be taken to your Chrome web store. I've already downloaded, and so what it's going to look like is this icon at the top right-hand corner, and from there you can schedule a meeting or start a meeting. Now that you've created your account, every time you log in, you'll be taken to your profile page. This is where you can change your photo and any other basic details you would like. You can also upgrade your account here. In order to show you what the plans and pricing look like, we'll come up to the top and click on Plans and Pricing. When you first sign up for an account, you have the free account. However, if you'd like to host a meeting with over 3 participants in over 40 minutes, I would suggest signing up for the $14.99 a month account. With this plan, you can host up to 100 participants and up to 24 hours. So now let's go back to our profile. Once you get back to your profile page, you'll notice that there are options on the left-hand side of the screen. Your Meetings tab is where you'll find all of your upcoming scheduled meetings, your previous meetings, your personal meeting room, which is for instant meeting, and your meeting templates, which houses your preferences. As an example, I'll click Schedule a Meeting. In here you can change the name, you can change the date and time, and you can configure your preferences below. Under Meeting ID, I always click Generate Automatically. Anyone with your personal meeting ID can actually get into the meeting at any time, and so for security reasons, it's always best just to generate automatically. You can also require a password from all of your participants if you so choose. I always choose to have both host and participant video on, as well as both telephone and computer audio available for guests. Once you've chosen your preferences, you can click Save, and Zoom will automatically pull up a calendar invite that you can invite guests with. Now we can go back to our dashboard, and on the left-hand side, you'll see your options. Webinars are not included in the $14.99 a month option, so you would have to upgrade if you wanted to use that. You can host anywhere from 100 to 10,000 attendees. However, they'll only be able to see your screen and cannot interact with you through video. When you click on Recordings, you'll find all of the meetings that you've recorded in the past. I always opt to record in the cloud, as Zoom offers a certain amount of memory for you to do that. Local recordings just means that you'll be recording directly to your computer, but that ends up taking a lot of space. When you click on your settings, you'll notice you have the option to set all your preferences for any future meeting. Once you schedule a meeting, you'll also have the option to set different preferences, but this will just serve as a general template. I always opt to have both host and participant video on, as well as telephone and computer audio. As I mentioned before, I opt out of the personal meeting ID when scheduling a meeting, so I have that feature turned off. Again, anyone with your personal meeting ID can enter a meeting at any time. And for security purposes, it's probably best to have that feature off. If you scroll down even further, you'll have the option to require a password for all of your guests. Zoom automatically turns this feature on for every account, just for security purposes. You can change it at any time. From there, I would recommend scrolling through all of these options and familiarizing yourself with the preferences that are available to you through Zoom. You'll want to set them just how you like them. As I said before, every time you schedule a meeting, you'll have an option to change your preferences there as well. Here you can add users to your account. However, keep in mind that in order to host 2 meetings at once, you both have to pay the $14.99 licensing fee. Now I want to show you what it looks like when you're actually hosting a video conference. So I'm going to click on Host a Meeting with Video Off. Click on Open Zoom. Join Computer Audio. And this is what your screen is going to look like. If you click on Security, you have options here, including Lock Meeting, which basically means that after the meeting starts, no one else can join. When you click on Participants, you have a box at the right of your screen where you can manage all your guests of the meeting. This is where you can either stop their video or mute or unmute them. Now if you go back to the menu at the bottom of your screen, you can opt to record. You can also share your screen with all of your guests. The option for whiteboard is for drawing. You can also just share your desktop and type, or run a presentation from there. Once you're finished with your meeting, you can head to the bottom of the screen on the right-hand side and click Leave Meeting. You'll be prompted again as to whether you really want to leave, and you just click End Meeting for All. Well, that's the short and sweet version of how to sign up and use Zoom. If you have any questions, I'll always be happy to help. Feel free to give me a call.